want to go to school today.
Man, look at all that snow on the ground out there.
Well, son, there's so much snow outside, you ain't got to go to school today. Come in here and
What?
give Papa a big hug.
Yay!
Let's go play.
Dad, can I have some cereal?
Yeah, I think we can do that. Well, let's see here. You can either have Cinnamon Toast Crunch or Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
Take Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
All right, cool. Son, you need something to drink?
Yeah, I do.
Well, here's your 9-year-old beverage.
Wow, thanks, Dad.
No problem, son.
Dad, the lights just went out. Let's go build a snowman.
Man, it's really cold outside, Dad.
Yeah, son, it sure is.
Oh, look, the lights are back on. I'm gonna go play FIFA.
All right, son, have fun.
Taking it away, and he's got a chance. Here come the supporting cast for him. Great opportunity. Well, here's a goal. Another chance.
this wasn't realistic.
That's a very good goal.
Yes, I scored.
Wait a little while for it.
Yeah. Man, I'm kind of hungry.
Dad, fix me something to eat.
All right, son, your sandwich, it's ready.
Thanks, Dad. This is delicious.
No problem, son.
Man, I hate this stupid storm. I wish the lights would come back on.
Yeah, son, go watch your favorite TV show.
All right, Dad.
Powerpuff Girls.